Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Today we will discuss 10 best male fragrance with buying guides and reviews. Selecting the ideal fragrance is vital to creating a long-term impression no matter where life takes you from work or play. Finding your signature fragrance is an individual pursuit. Each scent brings back memories and creates a specific atmosphere. Here is a selection of 10 exceptional male fragrances with brief description to assist in finding one for any event or special occasions. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. What says the Dreamer for Men's 3.4 ounce UD toilet spray features offer a unique fresh and aromatic scent, good longevity lasting throughout the day. The fragrance is versatile and suitable for various occasions. The bottle design is stylish and attractive. Number 2 versus the Dreamer for Men's 3.4 ounce ED toilet spray features Afnan 9 p.m. delivers luxury at an affordable price point, offer a long-lasting scent. It comes in an attractive and stylish packing design. The fragrance has a unique and masculine aroma profile, versatility for all occasions. Number 3 Nautica Voyage UD toilet for men, fresh romantic fruity scent, fruity aquatic notes of apple. Features offer a fresh aquatic scent perfect for summer. The longevity of the fragrance is impressive, lasting several hours. It's responsibly priced, offering good value of its quality, positive receptions and compliments. The bottle design is sleek. Number 4 Versace Eros for men's 3.4 ounce EOD perfume spray feature. Versace Eros has a long-lasting and potent fragrance. It exudes a confident and masculine scent profile. The bottle design is luxury and eye-catching. It's suitable for various occasions, for casual to normal. Number 5 Rasasia Havas for men UD perfume spray 3.33 ounce features long-lasting fragrance that stays for hours without fading quickly. Unique and appealing scent that draw complimentary from others. Unique and memorable, affordable price point compared to similar quality design fragrances. Complement gardening appeal. Number 6 Jean Paul Gaultier Le Male Le Perfume EDP Intense Spray Men's 6.8 ounce features strong brand reputation, long-lasting fragrance that linger throughout the day. Versatile enough for both casual and formal occasions. Bottle design with creativity, adding a collector appeal. High quality ingredients used. Number 7 Curb Black for Men Cologne Spray with Casual Day or Night Scent 4.2 ounce. Features high customer satisfaction, unique and memorable scent, sleek packing make it convenient for travel or on the go use. Versatile for any occasions, long lasting fragrance that lasts throughout the day without fading. Number 8 Mercedes-Benz Man elegant fragrance with this sensual floral woody notes mesmerize the sense with original. Features high quality ingredients. The fragrance comes in elegant and style packing design, versatility for various occasions, unique and distinct scent, long lasting performance. Brand's reputation for quality ensure a trustworthy purchase. Number 9 versus Rose Flame for men's 3.4 O's UD perfume spray. Features Rose Flame offer a long lasting and powerful fragrance for men. It has a unique and distinct scent profile. The bottle design in eye catching and luxurious versatile fragrance suitable for both daytime and evening wear. Number 10 Cremo Vintage Suede Reserves Collection Clone Spray, a combination of white moss, rich amber, and smooth Suede 3.4 FLOs. Features competing scent with warm masculine undertone that linger pleasantly long-lasting fragrance. Stay fresh throughout the day without fading. Versatile fragrance suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Stylish packing add a touch of luxury to your grooming routine. Now we are going to share some customer feedbacks and reviews. You can see screenshot on the screen which are helpful for you to choose the good one according to your needs and requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestpurchasepro.com/male fragrance slash. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro. Thanks for watching.